Hey guys, today I'm going to go over the upcoming LA Thieves 2021 Player Kit. So this upcoming LA Thieves Player Kit consists of 4 items, and that includes 2 jerseys and 2 hoodies, both in a black and a white variant. Now this player kit has yet to have a release date. All LA Thieves has really said is that it's coming soon, TM, as usual, but I'll have the updated drop date in the description and on my 100 Thieves apparel site when they release the release date. I'm hoping that this kit is not a limited release like most 100 Thieves apparel. The player kits for other CDL teams have already been released on their websites, and as it seems, they're not limited releases. Some sizes have sold out, but they seem to be kits that should be readily available, or at least that's how it should be. But I can't say for sure if it's going to be a limited drop or a readily available kit that's available for the 2021 CDL season. So in this video, I'm going to go over the specifications of each piece and some price predictions for each piece as well. So for this player kit, you need to keep in mind that these are not made on 100 Thieves apparel blanks. These are going to be made using the same blanks as every other CDL team. I'm not too sure what blanks they are. Last CDL season in 2020, each team had apparel made and sold through Fanatics, but I'm not too sure what blanks the CDL teams are using this year, so I can't give you the exact specs of the blank other than the materials for them, unfortunately. So first off, we have the 2021 LA Thieves jersey. And this jersey comes in both a black and a white variant. I think it's a nice, clean, and simple design, although I feel like they could have added one extra touch in the middle of the jersey to give it some flair, although it's not entirely their fault since every team had to follow the same cookie cutter blank. So these jerseys are going to be made out of a 100% hydrophilic polyester construction with a standard fit. Now, so far, the only data I've gotten are from other CDL teams, and it's kind of strange how each team, although there are slightly different designs, they're still using the same blanks, but the prices for each team kit varying on the teams are completely different prices. So I'll have to give you guys kind of a narrow price prediction for this video, unfortunately. So for the jerseys, based off of other CDL teams' prices, I'm predicting the jersey to retail between $70 to $85. Again, this is based off of other CDL teams. Also, something to note is that the other CDL teams have no custom jerseys as an option. So the only option you have is a blank jersey with no player name on the back. Next up, we have the LA Thieves Player Kit Hoodie. It's a very simple and clean design with the LA Thieves spell out on the middle of the chest. I think it's a simple and clean design, and I actually really like it. I just hope it's not as expensive as normal 100 Thieves hoodies. So the LA Thieves 2021 Player Kit Hoodie is going to be made out of a traditional cotton poly blend with a regular fit. As for price predictions, again, these predictions are based off of other CDL teams' current retail prices. I'm predicting the hoodie to retail between $85 to $105. Again, I hope it isn't all the way at the $105 retail mark like the Jam 100 Thieves hoodie, since it's not a 100 Thieves blank. I'm not expecting the quality to be as good as traditional 100 Thieves apparel. I hope it doesn't retail for that much, but we'll wait and see till it releases. So that's going to do it for this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Check out my socials and my 100 Thieves apparel site if you want some history on 100 Thieves apparel, on pricing and sizing. And other than that, I'll catch you in the next one.